Hi guys, good evening. So hope everyone is doing well. ఈ రోజు నేను చెప్పబోయే టాపిక్ ఏంటి అంటే సో గార్ట్నర్ రిపోర్ట్ అన్నమాట. సో బెటర్ I will explain in English so that everybody will understand, other states people as well. So Gartner report. So Gartner, it is an institution or organization. So they will conduct survey or maybe using sampling theorem by coordinating and collaborating with multiple clients all over the worldwide. It's like a feedback. And finally, they will make magic quadrant report. So magic quadrant report meaning here there are 4 quadrants as per Gartner. So according to that particular quadrant, we have to go and we have to analyze which tool is best in the market as per the trending technology, as per the deployment, as per the user friendly, as per the graphical user interface side, and also as per the configuration side and dashboard creation side and reporting side. So this is the way how the Gartner will take care of the overall summary. And finally, they will make 4 quadrants. So first quadrant is leader position. Second quadrant is challenger position. Third quadrant niche players. And finally, visionary. So this is the way how they will make Gartner quadrant report. Coming back to our side, what we have to do. So I explained about Gartner quadrant report, what is the institution is about, and how they will take care of the respective quadrant report analysis based on the different types of parameters as I mentioned. So now as a customer or as a client or as a consulting company, so how we have to analyze this particular Gartner quadrant report? Most of the cases, whenever any customer or any client, if they want to purchase any security tool, so they will visit the Gartner quadrant report. And finally, so they will make, so which one is the best tool as per Gartner quadrant report, that one only they'll purchase maximum cases. So I will explain about practically how it will work. Okay. So what I will do, I will open Gartner quadrant report here or gartner.com. So this is the website. So if I'm clicking here, now you can see Gartner. So I will go to tools because I'm explaining about tools, which tool we have to choose. Most of the cases, customers and clients, and also even security architects and solution architects, they will visit this particular Gartner quadrant report, and according to that one only, they will purchase the best tool. Okay, so I will click on the tools button. And I will click on the tools to make smarter and faster decisions. So I will go down here. So hype cycle, magic quadrant, critical capabilities. So whatever explaining today, it's a magic quadrant. So click on this one. And so as per the Gartner, there are 4 quadrants, as I said earlier. One is leader quadrant, challenger quadrant, niche players, and finally visionary. If you want to purchase any tool, we have to visit this particular Gartner quadrant report. Okay, so this particular Gartner quadrant report is providing the tool validation for the EDR, DLP, encryption, MDR, XDR, firewall, proxy, IDS, IPS, file integrity monitoring, privilege access management, cloud service provider tools, cloud security posture management, and also we have vulnerability management, SIM tools. Each and every security tool, whatever if you want to purchase, Gartner is making a Gartner quadrant report. Maybe you can ask now, so what is the frequency of the publishing this particular Gartner quadrant report? So yearly once or twice in a year, they will release this particular Gartner quadrant report. So that is about introduction about Gartner quadrant report. And here first quadrant is a leader. Whatever tools we have existing in the leader position, most of the customers or clients, even tenders and also request for proposals, So they will keep all those leader related tools only they will purchase. Second, challenges. So as compared to leader, challenges are a little bit less. Okay, so they don't have that many features. Niche players, once again, as compared to challenges, once again, these niche players are, they enter into the market and they are somewhat okay, like average. And visionaries, just know they enter into the market. Okay, so these are all the four quadrants. As I said, customers and clients. So any security architects or solution architect, if they want to purchase any tool, they will visit the Gartner quadrant report, and whoever it is there in the leader, most of the customers or clients, even solution architects, they will propose those tools to the customers. So that is about introduction. And if you have any business email ID, professional email ID, or work email ID, just you can give here and give your first name and last name and wrong mobile number and job title, and then you can see the different types of Gartner quadrant report related to tools. So that is about overall Gartner quadrant report. Just I will go to Google because I will not give my company email address here. So just I will type firewall based as per Gartner report. Firewall Gartner quadrant report. So just I give in firewall Gartner quadrant report and I will go to images now. So you can see, is there any 2023 or 2024? So I can see that there is no 2023 or 2024. Let me check here directly. So yeah, so this is the one. So I'm clicking on here now. So this is endpoint protection, not this one. I think maybe for 2023 they didn't release. So I will go back to, I will take for 2022, that's okay. But you should understand the concept. So I'm clicking on here. Now you can see, as per 2022 Gartner Quadrant report, okay, so who are best in the market from firewall point of view, because right now I'm explaining about firewall example. So whenever you are validating any tool in this Gartner Quadrant report, you have to consider both x-axis and y-axis, nothing but horizontal and vertical way. So this is the horizontal and this is the vertical way. In this similar way, this is the horizontal and this is the vertical way. As per 2022 Gartner Quadrant report, so Fortinet features point of it's okay, but on the user-friendly side, it is not that much great. So on the other hand, Palo Alto, it has both features and also it has both even user-friendly also, even in the checkpoint also. So these are the three products or firewalls is listed in the Gartner Quadrant report in the leader position. Those firewall tools are Fortinet from Fortigate, Palo Alto firewall from Palo Alto itself, Checkpoint firewall from Checkpoint. Checkpoint is from Israel country. So that is on the leader position. Most of the companies, they will purchase these tools only. Okay. So on the challenger position, you can see here now. So we have Cisco ASA firewall, and we have Alibaba Cloud, and also we have Juniper, and also Huawei. So these are on the challenger position. Under the niche players, we have Microsoft, Amazon Web Services firewall, and also we have SonicWall. Okay, so WatchGuard, Sophos firewall, and ForcePoint. On the visionary side, nothing but just now they entered into the market like a Barracuda and also Itson Networks, Ilston Networks, Sangoff Technologies. These are all on the visionary side. So if you want to purchase any tool now, as per the leader position, it's better to purchase. It depends on you whether you have budget or not. That is the way how these companies, our customers, our clients, or even security architects or solution architects will validate, and finally they will choose the respective tool. So that is about first example. Now I will go to second example. Example is EDR tool. So EDR Gartner Quadrant report. So if I'm clicking on once again now images, okay, so let's see whether 2023 is available or not. Otherwise, I will go with 2022 itself directly. So instead of EDR, I will say endpoint protection, EPP, because endpoint protection and endpoint security both are same. So it's like a synonyms. So let's see whether it is 2021. So where is 2022 or 2023? Yeah, you can see here this is 2023. So endpoint protection or EDR tool. So as per this one, yeah, hope everybody can see this one. Leader position as per Gartner report, CrowdStrike is the #1 tool. Okay, so most of the customers are purchasing CrowdStrike. Next one is Microsoft Endpoint Detection and Response, Microsoft Defender, the tool name. Next one is Trend Micro. Next one is Sentinel One. Next one is Palo Alto. Okay, so next one is Sophos CDR. In the challenges in 2023, there are no tools are listed. So as per the niche player side, so Trellix, ESET, Fortinet, Cisco, so Broadcom with Secure. On the visionary side, we have Defender, Cyber Reason, Checkpoint. So as I said, if you want to purchase any EDR tool or endpoint protection tool, obviously whoever is leader it is there, so we can purchase. So that is the way how these customers or client will purchase the tool. So that is about EDR side. I will explain about one more. Maybe I will go with web gateway or proxy. So I given web gateway or proxy. So then I will go to images and so click on this one. Yeah. So this is not proxy. Proxy Gartner Report 2023. Yeah, this is the one only. No, this is CPaaS. You can see communication platform as service. I'm going with the wrong one. I will go with some other report maybe. Yeah, Jetscaler. This is the one. Yeah, 2020. For example, I am showing 2020. Hope you'll understand. Yeah, as per 2020 Gartner report, you can see Jetscaler or Zscaler proxy is #1. So this is also called as a web gateway. Cisco Open DNS. So Open DNS, it's a proxy server So it's from Cisco vendor. Next one is McAfee proxy. Next one is Forcepoint proxy on the challenger position. And we have niche player side Barracuda. So next one, Barracuda is one of the very famous tool. And Sungfix Technologies. So Counterkeeper. These are all the on the niche player side. Netscope and Mentro Security, Bluecom, iBoss. These are all on the visionary side. Okay. So this is the way how these vendors. Okay. So now how these customers will purchase. This is 2020. As per 2023, I think Zscaler and also Citrix Gateway. Next one is Cisco Open DNS, Netscope. These are all the Barracuda, Imperva. These are all the very famous web gateways or application gateways or proxy servers. So this is the way how to purchase the tool. So how to validate a tool. So actually we have to compare each and every tool, and then only we have to purchase based on the features perspective, based on the deployment perspective, based on the auditing and compliance perspective, based on the dashboards configuration, report generation. So this is the way how we can choose the tool and how to purchase the tool. Hope you understood. Thank you so very much.